In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and actually try finding Call of Duty. So as you can see, there's no game right here, and in order to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, family, parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or move to apps and games, enter your PIN code, select OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure you save that setting, go back, try finding Call of Duty, and as you can see, the game is right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.